Children, good morning. Welcome back to our online class. 10th class children, how are you all? The second part of it, coordination, isn't it? What will Yes, children, why are hormones called chemical coordinators? The term why it is given chemical coordinator to hormones. Hormones are called chemical messengers because they are chemical agents that travel around the body to tell specific cells to perform a specific action. Understood? They are acting as agents, chemical agents between the body and the cells. They are giving a message. The term hormone describes a variety of chemicals that perform these signaling tasks. Hormones can range from proteins to amino acids to steroids. Like there are two to three types of hormones. It can be proteins, it may be amino acids or steroids in the body. Got it? Now let's see about the nervous system. What does nervous system do? Nervous system transmits impulses electrochemically and it is very fast. So the effect is temporary for a shorter time. But hormonal control or chemical coordination is slow and its effect is long lasting for a long time. Hence it is required for the proper growth and development of our body. Is it clear? Now next is the pancreas. First we dealt with hormones, then the nervous system. Now pancreas. It is considered both endocrine and exocrine functions. It is therefore a mixed gland. Its endocrine secretion are the hormones, which is what does this pancreas do? How is it important? It produces insulin and glucagon, which is a hormone. It can come for 1 mark or a short bit question, children. Which is a hormone which is considered as mixed gland, both endocrine and endocrine functions, is the pancreas. Next comes the pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is sometimes called the master gland of the endocrine system because it controls the functions of many of the other endocrine glands. Pituitary gland is no longer than a pea, but it is located at the base of the brain. It is no doubt very small pituitary gland, but it is considered the master gland. Understood? Communication of CNS effectors in the body of an animal by electrochemical messengers called nerve response impulse. Second point is that the endocrine secretes hormones into bloodstream from the glands throughout the body. Hormones produce an effect on specific target organs in the body. Combined science, coordination, and the control. How important are endocrine system? Do you understand the hormones? What is the important gland? Liver. What does liver do? It is the largest gland in the body. It stores its waste bile in gallbladder. Bile is released into the duodenum of our digestive tract and helps in digestion of fats. Endocrine glands are ductless glands of the endocrine system that secretes their products hormones directly into the blood. The major gland of the endocrine system includes what? Pineal gland, pituitary gland, pancreas, ovaries, testis, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, hypothalamus and the adrenal glands. Understood children how important is the liver? Jigar जिसको बोलते हैं. It is the largest gland of the body. Which is the largest gland of the body? Liver. Largest important master gland is the pituitary gland. Got it? See the endocrine glands. How are they? They are ductless glands. Okay? Endocrine glands are the ductless glands of the endocrine system that secretes their products, hormones directly into the blood. The major glands of the endocrine system include the pineal gland, the pituitary gland, just now we told the master gland is pituitary gland, the pancreas, which is responsible for the sugar, diabetes, ovaries, testes, reproductive organs of the body, thyroid gland, goiter near the neck, you can prevent it by checking your thyroid, the hormone, parathyroid gland, and hypothalamus, and the adrenal glands. We'll see in detail now adrenal glands. While most Many parts of the body make hormones. The major glands that make up the endocrine system are hypothalamus, pituitary, thyroid, parathyroid, adrenals, pineal body, the ovaries, testes, and the pancreas. Children, your pancreas, say pancreas, is the largest endocrine gland and it's found in your belly, in your stomach. The pancreas makes several hormones including insulin which helps in making glucose, the sugar that's in your blood and enters the cells of your body. For example, kidneys produce the hormone renin. Renin. Renin is a hormone produced by kidneys. What does it do? It helps to control the blood pressure and the hormone erythropoietin to stimulate the bone marrow to produce red blood cells. Understood? What is endocrine system functions? It helps in metabolism, growth and development, sexual function and reproduction, heartbeat, blood pressure, appetite, sleeping and waking cycles, and blood temperature. Understood? Even endocrine system is important. What are the symptoms including how do we know endocrine system is not working properly? Fatigue, tiredness, stomach upset, dehydration, and skin changes. Addison disease is a disease type of adrenal insufficiency, the Cushing disease it is called. What should we do? 12 natural ways to balance your hormones. Eat enough protein, non-veg, paneer. And if you don't eat non-veg, it's paneer and all. At every meal, consuming an adequate amount of protein is extremely important. Engage in regular exercise, physical exercise every day, at least 30 to 40 minutes. Avoid sugar and carbs, refined carbs. Learn to manage stress. Consume healthy fats. Avoid overeating and undereating, not more than your limit than the prescribed by doctors and physicians. General knowledge. This is drink green tea, eat fatty fish often. In a in 2 days or 3 days time, you must eat fish. So protein. A feedback mechanism is a loop wherein the system responds to a perturbation. The response may be in same direction as in positive feedback or in the opposite direction as in negative feedback. Key actions of what is adrenaline? It increases the heart rate, okay, increase blood pressure, expanding the air pressure of the lungs, enlarging the pupil in the eye. It is so important. Adrenal gland, adrenal rush in the young children we have. They get angry very soon in adolescent age. Redistributing blood to the muscles and altering the body's metabolism so as to maximize blood glucose level primarily of the brain. What are the symptoms of adrenaline rush? Rapid heartbeat, just now we said, sweating, heightened senses, rapid breathing, decreased ability to feel pain, increased strength and performance, dilated pupils, feeling jittery or nervous. Understood? Adrenaline increases your heartbeat, elevates your blood pressure, and boosts your energy supply. Cortisol is the primary stress hormone which increases sugar, glucose in the bloodstream. It enhances your brain's use of glucose and increases the availability of substances that repair our tissues. What is the cause of adrenal rush? It is imagined threat as opposed to an actual physical threat. It can be due to exercise, heart failure, chronic stress, anxiety, and disorder of the brain. Okay, what is adrenal triggers? How does it trigger? It follows the changes in the body, increasing in the heart rate. The rate of the heart increases tremendously. What happens to it? It affects on the blood towards the muscles, causing a surge in the energy or shaking the limbs, relaxing the airways to give the muscles the more oxygen, which may cause a breathing problem. We have to immediately go to hospital. The three stages are alarm. This is a small chart which explains you about all the adrenaline functions and the glands. First is the pituitary master gland, as I've just said. What is the location of it? Hormone secreted somatropin and the response of body to the hormone, the growth of bones, activity of the thyroid gland, activity of ovaries and testes, stimulus secretion of from adrenal cortex. What happens in males and females? The hormone, the function differs. How it differs: in males, secretion of testosterone, whereas in females, ovulation and development of corpus luteum takes place, and the secretion of progesterone. Understood, children? It's better you learn this entire chart, draw it once after your slip tests are finished, and learn it one by one according to the adrenal endocrine gland the system. Next is the thyroid gland, which is in the neck. What is the hormone secreted? Thyroxine. What happens in it? The general growth rate of metabolic activity. Next is the ovary, which is present in the lower abdomen in female. It gives two hormones, estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen is responsible for the growth of uterus, skeleton of the pelvis, growth of, and it controls the 28 days menstrual cycle in a woman. Whereas progesterone, development of uterus, implantation, and the development of mammary glands. Next is the testis, which is located as a scrotal sac in, and it secretes the hormone testosterone in, and it is responsible in males for hair on their face, muscular development, the deepening of voice, and normal sexual behavior with the development of male sex organs. Next is the adrenaline hormone, which we have just studied in detail. Where is it located? It is located at the base of the kidneys, and it produces a hormone called adrenaline. It is responsible for the heartbeat, increase in heartbeat, rise in the blood sugar, dilation of coronary artery, and dilation of the pupil of the eye. Last is our pancreas, which is present in the duodenum of the digestive system. What is pancreas? The hormone secreted in it is insulin and glucagon. What does it do? It decreases the glucose percentage in the body. Insulin decreases the body glucose, whereas glucagon, it increases the glucose in the body. Okay, children, got it for today? Go through once. If there are any doubts, you can clear it. Thank you. See you in your next class. Assalamu alaikum.